Did you notice how Kevin worked today? It was faster than usual. I think he finished his report earlier than anyone else. Do you think he is more organized than Sarah? I'm just asking. I don't think he's more organized. He may be faster, but Sarah is more careful. Her reports are more detailed than his. Kevin works quicker, but she works better. Maybe. But Kevin seems more confident than her. He speaks louder in meetings, and the manager listens to him more carefully. Isn't confidence more important than being careful? Not always. Being louder isn't better than being prepared. Sarah is quieter, but she is more professional. Kevin talks more, but sometimes he makes more mistakes. Do you think Kevin is more ambitious than the rest of the team? He always stays later than us. I've seen that many times. He stays later, yes, but does that mean he is more productive? Sometimes working longer isn't better than working smarter. I think Julia is more efficient than Kevin, even if she leaves earlier. Julia? Really? She's friendlier than Kevin, but she's more capable. I feel Kevin is more competitive. Well, that's what I see. Being competitive isn't always healthier. Julia is calmer and more balanced. She doesn't stress as much as Kevin. I think she's happier than him. Speaking of Julia, do you think she's more attractive than Laura from accounting? Oh, that's a dangerous question. But if we are comparing, Julia is more elegant, while Laura is more energetic. Laura smiles more often, but Julia dresses more professionally. So who is more interesting to talk to, Julia or Laura? Laura is more talkative and more open. Julia is more mysterious. It depends on what you prefer. Do you like someone more outgoing or more reserved? I think I prefer someone more outgoing. Yeah, Life is more exciting that way. Reserved people are sometimes less fun. I don't agree. Reserved people are not less fun. They are just different. Sometimes they are deeper and more thoughtful. Believe me. All right. What about our boss? Is he stricter than last year? Yes, he is stricter and more demanding. But I think he's also more focused. He expects better results than before. I think that's good. Um, I have a question. Do you think he likes Kevin more than us? It looks like that sometimes. Kevin speaks more confidently. So maybe he appears more capable. But I think we are not less valuable than him. Honestly, I think I am more creative than Kevin. My ideas are more original. You are creative, yes, but Kevin is more disciplined. You start projects faster, but he finishes them more consistently. Wait a minute. Are you saying he is better than me? I'm saying he's stronger in some areas. You are more imaginative, but he's more structured. It doesn't mean he's better overall. Well, I think I work harder than you sometimes. Last week I stayed later than you did. You stayed later, yes, but I completed more tasks during the day. Let me tell you, working longer is not always more productive. So now you are saying you are more productive than me? In some days, yes, you are more creative, but I am more consistent. It sounds like you think you are more responsible. I didn't say that, but maybe I am more organized. You are more spontaneous, which is good, but sometimes less stable. Less stable. That's not true. I am not less responsible than you. I didn't say you were less responsible. I said you are more impulsive. There is a difference. Maybe you're just more boring than me, and maybe you are more dramatic than necessary. Dramatic. At least I am more fun at office parties. Yes, you are more fun, but I am more reliable when things get serious. What are you saying? So you think reliable is better than fun? In a workplace? Yes, sometimes reliable is better than fun. You know what? Comparing people like this feels strange. It makes everything sound like a competition. Don't you think? I agree. Nobody is better in everything. Some people are faster, others are smarter in different ways. Comparing too much creates tension instead of improving ourselves. We try to prove we are better than others. Maybe we should focus on being better than yesterday, not better than someone else. That sounds mature. But between us, who is more likely to get promoted this year? You are more ambitious. I am more patient. It depends on what the boss prefers. If ambition is more important, I am closer to promotion. But if stability is more important, I am closer. I will get it. You know what? This conversation is getting more competitive than before. Yes, and we just said comparing people wasn't healthy. True. But honestly, I still think I am slightly better than you at presentations. And I still think I am definitely more organized than you.